How to sign in to Amazon Kindle account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Amazon Kindle account. For that, you need to ensure that you have already created an account on Amazon Kindle. Now once you have done that, open your Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device. And once you reach to this home screen, here at the bottom right, you will find 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars and you will reach to this page. In this page on the very top, you will find Sign in with Amazon option. Tap on it and now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see this sign in interface. Here now you will need to enter your email address or phone number in the first box and then enter your Amazon password in the second box. Make sure to enter the correct details here. You may also tap on this box ahead of Show Password to reveal the password and check if it is entered correctly or not. Also, in case if you forgot your password and couldn't log into your account, you may tap on this Forgot Password link at the top right, and then from there you need to follow the instructions to retrieve your password. Also, you will get the option to register or create a new Kindle account by tapping on this Create a New Amazon account at the bottom. So now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and tap on that Sign In button and wait for a while. Once you do so, now it will start syncing. Your Kindle will automatically sync, downloading the books you have previously purchased. If this is not happening, then you may also manually tap on this sync option at the top and then sync your Kindle. Now once you have signed in to your Kindle device or app, now you will have full access to your Kindle ebooks, documents and other digital content. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in to your Amazon Kindle account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.